On the 19th of August, a police helicopter has collided with a small airplane in midair. The pilot of the small airplane has been killed, whereas in the helicopter, two police officers were injured. It has happened on the 19th of August. So small plane, it's a Cessna 150, which is very small, has collided with a police helicopter. The pilot of the Cessna 150 has been killed, and in the helicopter, two police officers were injured. It has happened in Pennsylvania. Okay, you guys can do more research, see what I knew, guys. Always something with me. The title is Plane Collide with Heli. I dreamed that like 6 years ago. In August 2020, and it has happened on the 19th of August 2026. In my dream, I thought four people will be killed. In fact, one people has been killed and two others injured. So I was pretty much close. I knew it, guys. Anything that happened on this planet, this is my cursor. Okay? Please watch it, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Of course, apart from me, who knew things like that? Maybe President of United States should call me in White House and give me a medal. But nobody cares about me. So thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.